हाँ, like how middle class people purchase a bike. Like, मैं बहुतों को देखा, मैं खुद भी फेस किया ये. Like हम लोग जस्ट बाइक खरीदना ऐसे खरीद नहीं लेते. Like I used to watch videos like, let's say my budget is 3 lakh or 2.5 lakh. So I used to visit the internet and used to search like best bike under 2.5 lakh, 3 lakh, and used to read all reviews, even all the videos in YouTube. I have spent around 6 to 7 months so that I can get the best out of my money. And when I have selected, okay, this is the bike I'm going to purchase, and it has all the necessary things I'll be needing in my day-to-day touring, or whenever I'm going on some kind of tour or like this. But and then come the main part, the financial part. Even though I knew that, okay, I can buy it, but still I took another 2-3 months to convincing myself that I need that bike. If you're going to save this money and think that, okay, I will purchase the bike later, then because of certain inflation and all, the price of the bike may go high. So I convinced myself, okay, this is the time to buy the bike. Otherwise, because of your age and all the other factors, you will not be enjoy the bike as much as you would have enjoyed if you bought that bike on that particular year or at that particular time. So this is a very kind of tough, what can I say, difficult phase, like where I was spending my money, my life savings, for this machine. And yeah, I'm not regretting it now. Though it's not my daily commuter, I don't have a daily commuter, but I use public transport most of the time because of the city traffic. But whenever I go out with my friends, my colleagues and all, I really enjoy this bike. This is like this is one of my dream bike since the KTM launched. And KTM had a bad phase. Everyone was calling Chappy bike and all, but it's not about the bike. It's not the bike they call it. It's called the rider. That is the Chapri. And now the tag is almost gone for KTM because the price is gone higher. And now you can see on the roads the R15s, the ZX10R for the premium Chapris. Those are the kind of bike Chapris are targeting now. And maybe the new KTM Duke 160, which will be more affordable. Like, I don't know if they will go for that bike or not. Overall, like 250 is a good bike for touring, city purpose also it is good. If you do most of the tour, then I think 390 will be better. If you ride mostly in highways, but more or less 250 is a more practical bike compared to 390. You can ride the 390 in traffic every day. It will give you like 17 to 15 mileage.